Morning children, hope you are doing well and enjoying the online classes. As you know that we are learning regularly new things, and you have already learned about am, is, are and their usings. So today I am going to revise these things, the am, is, are, where it will be used and with some examples. I hope you will enjoy the video and you will practice it with me. So come with me, let's start and see what I can do today for you. Okay children, come. First of all, I am going to tell you regarding am. What is the spelling of am? This is A-M, am, am. And you tell me who is the best friend of am. You know it already? Yes, that is I. So whenever there will be I, there will be am. I and am, we are best friend. They are best friend. We can't separate them. So I am. Okay? Okay, so now comes is. What is the spelling of is? I-S, is. Is, is. As we know that is used with singular. Singular means only one thing. It can be one person, one animal or one thing. It can be anything, but it should be only one in the number. Then we can use is. So we can use is with he, like he is a boy, with she, like she is a girl, with it, like it is a pencil, and like this one. So whenever there will be any singular things, that means any one thing, we will use is there. I-S, is. Okay children, got it? Now it is the time for are. What is the spelling of are? A-R-E, are. And the pronunciation is are. So where we can use are? We all know that are we can use in plural. Plural means when there is thing, person or animal more than one. It can be two, it can be many. There we can use are. So we can use are with more than one. So we can use are with we are, they are, these are. We have already learned regarding these and those. So we can use these are, those are. So whenever there will be one, more than one thing, we can use are. A-R-E, are. So let's revise once again. Am, A-M, am. This is the best friend of I. Only I. Who will come? Am. Now is, I-S, is. It will go with only one person, one animal or one thing. So it can be he is. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a pencil, like this. Now there is a turn for are. A-R-E, are. So are will go with more than one thing, animal or person. So are is used with we are, they are, these are. We have already learned these are pencils, those are aeroplanes, like this. So are is used with more than one thing, right? Okay. Now I will discuss with you a special thing, that is the use of are but specially. Suppose that is a word you, Y-O-U, you. Now what we will use with you? This is means tumi or tomra. So you will think that you is singular, that means only one thing, but you is treated as plural, more than one thing. This is a special item, you. It is treated specially. So you is plural, and with you we will use are. are. Always with you we will use are. are. Right? So hope you will remember this. You are boys, or you are a boy. So here you is used singularly, that means with one, like you are a boy, and in another option you is used plurally, like to make you understand more than one, like you are boys. Here I am presenting a chart, and with it you can understand properly that where am is used, where is used, and where are is used. This is a chart. Please go through it and learn it. If you learn it, then you can remember it very easily. Right, children? So see it properly. Okay, so you have seen the chart. Now I will ask you some questions, okay, and you have to answer it. So tell me, who is the best friend of I? Tell me. Yes, this is am, and the spelling is am, an. Yes. Now tell me, with he, what will come? Am, is, or are? Yes, this is So the spelling is is. Very good. Now tell me, children, with you, what will come with you? Think. Yes, that is are. Are. Now tell me, what will come with these? You know the spelling? THESE. These. What will come with these? Think. Yes. Are. Are. Now, here is the picture of one animal. So, with it, what will come? One thing. That means am, is, or are. What will come? Yes, that will be is. Is. Yes. Children, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you will practice it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep doing your workouts daily. Daily workouts will boost your memory, will give you concentration. Okay? So, till then, tata. Take care.